Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to install BearPlayer on your Google TV. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. As you probably already know, BearPlayer is not in the Google Play Store, so you'll need to sideload it. And in order to sideload any third-party app, you'll need to turn on developer mode. To do that, go to Settings on the far right side. Then go to System, About, scroll down to Android TV OS build, and tap that 7 times until you see a message that says, "You are now a developer." Now go to the home screen, pan over to the Apps tab, go to the search box, search for Downloader, click on it, and click Install. But when the installation is complete, don't launch it, because before sideloading any third-party apps, it's crucial to connect to a VPN first. Third-party apps like BearPlayer do not meet the Google Play Store requirements, so there's a good chance that these apps could see personal data that you don't want them to be seeing. I myself use NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and cheap. If you want to use it too, I have a discount link that gives you 3 months free. Go to nordvpn.com/landotech or click the link in my description below. Once you're logged into your VPN, move over to the Downloader app and launch it. Click OK when prompted. Go to the text field and type the following: 6, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 6. Hit enter. BearPlayer will begin downloading. Click Settings. Then scroll down and allow the Downloader app to install apps from unknown sources. Now click Install. After the installation is complete, click Done. Select Delete, then delete again to get rid of the install file. Now press the Home button on your remote. Look for the BearPlayer app and launch it. BearPlayer is a great app. However, there's a way that you can get over 100 IPTV channels for free. To find out how, watch this video right here.